Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. And first of all, I just want to say, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Even if you're like just watching one of my random videos, click the links or whatever. Subscribe to my channel. Why not? Why not just subscribe? You should subscribe. Okay. And I just want to come to you guys today with just a little tour of my room, so you can see like my space. I do live in an apartment, and I'm just going to show you guys my room, but I'm not going to show you all the outer areas. I just wanted you guys to see how my little peaceful vibes and how I stay balanced. And my room is like the most comfort. Like, I will be in here all day. Like, I'll be having to force myself to get out of here. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be posting another video next week. So thank you for being patient with me, and I did miss you guys a lot. But yes, I'm back. So enjoy. Okay guys, so when you walk in, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is just what you first see. So we can start here. Here's one of my mirrors. Okay, I love mirrors. I have like a ton of them. And here's just a little sitting area and a little throw cover in my backpack. And here's a big speaker I got from Big Lots. And yeah, and here's another mirror. Here's another. This one is gold. My colors were pink, gold, and gray. And then over here we have these little mirrors. We have these mirrors, heart mirrors. They're so cute. And here's my little TV. Guys, I rarely watch TV, so I don't really care to have one, honestly. But yeah, so I rarely watch TV, but here's my little TV. And here's just little candles. I love candles or anything that smells good. And this little sign to stay happy. I love positive things in the room. And here's just my little calendar. This is my desk area, and here's another mirror. Okay, and then we have a little chalkboard. Yeah, little chalkboard. The crazy thing is, guys, the most expensive things like was these little my little posters cost like the most. But yeah, here's my little coffee/tea area. I wake up in the morning and I make my slim tea or my coffee if I'm just really sleepy. But yeah, and then my positive energy tea. And then this, I bought this Max coffee because it got like more caffeine than usual, just in case I ever get like really sleepy. But I've been fine so far. And there's my mug. And then I just have a little 0-calorie sweetener because I don't put sugar or creamer in my coffee, so I just use one of those. And over here we have just some little snacks. Well, not snacks, but just my favorite snack. I love these pretzels. And just a little thing I could put like my folders in. And I have this gold lamp. It's so pretty. It's so pretty, and it's flexible. I got that from Walmart. And I just have some flowers for my sweetie. And then my computer. I try to leave a lot of room left on my desk, so when I'm doing my homework, I can actually have my notebooks and stuff. And then I have another candle. I love Bath & Body Works candles. Right now, this has to be my favorite scent. Like, my very favorite scent from them right now. And we can go under here. Also, I'm not really done unpacking, but this is just like one of my little totes I just throw anything in. And I have my iron in case I need grab it really quick. And then here's some of my books, my binders, folders. Not really much down here. Like, I have literally like 90% of my stuff to unpack, but yeah. And then I bought this little desk chair because the chair that they gave us in my apartment was like hard, very hard. So I got this little chair. It was only $40, so yeah. And then I have my Christmas lights around my window. I have this pretty window. I love it. It's huge. I love fresh air. I love natural light. So this is just perfect. And then over here, I have this little wall design, and then a little A initial. And here's one of my side tables. Guys, I do wear glasses in case you didn't know. But yeah, I don't wear them in my video because of the glares I have, but yeah. And then I have my little mug my mommy bought me, and I drink my little tea and stuff. And then, what else do I have? Oh, I have this little cute fountain, guys, I got from Five and Below. And excuse my broken nail. Oh, I think I gotta plug it up or something. Oh, there we go. But you put the water in there, and it's a little fountain. It sounds so peaceful. And then, I have this little book. Sorry for all the shaking. But I have this little success book. And it just, got positive things in here. Like, you can read every day. See? Okay. And then I have my Carmex. You know, lips get dry. And middle of the night or random times. I did burn this little fur. I put over. It's burnt from my flat irons, but it's okay. And down here, I have this little cubicle. And I just put like random stuff. Yeah, right now it's so unorganized. I just have like random things in here, like folders and workout DVDs, and my wallet is in there. See how random this is? My wallet is in there. Okay, and here's my bed, my bed area. These little cute pillows. It says happy place, and all I need is sleep. And then of course I have to have a canopy, like my canopy, and it goes down to my bed. This comforter is so comfortable, y'all. Like, it's so comfortable. And then over here, I have a little lamp. And then I actually got this poster from Amazon. And I ended up finding the perfect frame to fit. So, I got the frame. And then here's another little bucket. I just throw anything in. Like, my little waist trainers right here. And random stuff. And I got random stuff in this drawer. Y'all, I haven't even unpacked my makeup yet, but I'm going to put my makeup in here and put it over by my desk because I don't know if I want to buy a vanity yet. Like, I have the perfect amount of stuff in my room right now, but I don't know if I want another vanity. And I just got another wall sticker. Say life is good. Okay. And then got another calendar over here. Then we go into my bathroom. I have this pretty door rack. This is so pretty. It was only like $12. You see these little crystals? It's cute. I have my robe here. Let me turn on the light. So I have my robe here, and then a little everyday bag and a jacket I wore today, and there's a hoodie that I just grabbed for. And then close the door. We got some little door decorations. I love decorations for my walls. And then I have this little poster. It says Champagne Lifestyle, Unlimited Income. Okay, it's so true. But we don't get to that income pretty soon. And then here's a mirror. Okay, and here's this little, let's open my cabinet. Okay, so this is my little medicine cabinet. I'm getting over a cold, so like I have this is Dayquil, and then my boyfriend's deodorant and cologne from when he's here. Oh, okay, and then I have my hair oil. This is the best oil to use. Okay, let me get some more light. This is the best oil to use, especially in the winter and the fall. You know, your hair gets dry. Oh, and this is my favorite perfume. If y'all don't know, Paris Hilton has the best perfumes. And then we just have some more plug-ins and deodorants and stuff. Oh, and this is a really good heat protector. I love this. And just some meds I got from the doctor for my little cold. And here's a little got to be glued. And yeah, okay. And yeah. And I told you I haven't unpacked my makeup yet. This is just random stuff. So this is some little hair stuff. And my favorite flat irons, okay? Y'all can get y'all some of these Target, Walmart, the best. And look at this little beauty blender holder I found. It's so cute. And this is actually a real Technique sponge, so it's so adorable. And then, like I said, I haven't unpacked my makeup. So for like my everyday makeup I've been wearing is in here. It's some primers. This container is really old, y'all, so excuse me. Some primers and just some of my lip glosses and my tinted moisturizer. Like just little stuff, because I only wear brows and tinted moisturizer to school because I only have 2 classes. I'm not doing the most. And this is my favorite lotion from Bath & Body Works, Pretty and Peach. Oh god. And my Got Some Glue spray. I figured out this works so much better than the gels. This works instantly and I love it. Like I literally spray and just press my wig down. Here's my little 2 brushes and my hand soap holder. Another candle from Bath & Body Works. This smells really good as well. The little sign. And then I have this poster, and then I have another mirror, and I have my little Christmas lights. And then here's just my toilet and my scale and more wall designs and my shower. Okay, and then up here I have my favorite face washes and just stuff I use every day, basically. Okay, here's my closet. Now, my closet looks terrible, but now here's my closet. Now here's my closet. My closet looks terrible, but this is another mirror. My closet is terrible. I don't know if I'm gonna edit this part, but my closet is okay. My closet is big, but like look at all this stuff I still haven't unpacked. It's a mess, I know, excuse it. But yeah, this is it. Oh, and it has a little light in there too. And then that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my tour, and everyone have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.